That's it. Need a rehook. Stop!
Keep going, keep going.
Go.
Good, bro. Keep going. Keep going, just go. Oh, fuck.
Great.
Well, that's what I was trying to get you to do, bro. Well, I don't think that's going to stop.
I just don't want it up under the car.
There you go. Well, I know. That's what we're doing. Keep dragging it sideways. Go. Yeah, hurry.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, that's good, dude. That's good. We can get on the trail.
63 split window barn find. Just pulled it out of this barn. It's been there for years. I bought a 70 LT1 here a couple years ago, and now come back for the split window in the 67 400 Air tri-power car. So we got them out today, just in time, starting to sleep. But we're gonna get out of here and get this car inside. You got a Corvette for sale, running, driving, nice, anything, I'll buy them in any condition. 814-285-1779. Barn find 1963 split window Fuelie. Taking it down to my best friend's place. He'll disassemble it, take all the glass out, and then I'll go back and get it, and it'll come back up here and we'll paint it, do all the body work, and put all the glass back in it, and then I'll take it back to him and he'll reassemble it. But while I have it all, while I have it up here, he'll have the frame done, the motor done, everything. So it's the original motor, split window Fuelie, original born with motor, engine, tranny, all the components. It's red with a black interior. You got a Corvette for sale? Give me a call, 814-285-1779. I'll buy them dead or alive.